Friends, welcome to the room tour of Blue Oasis standard rooms. This is the entrance. The rooms are, I will say, perfect for a single traveler. You have a work desk, AC, television, then you have your standard bed and a side table. The bed is also quite big. This is the entrance from the other side, and if you go straight, then just having a look at the washrooms, quite spacious, well maintained, clean, and this is the shower area, again well maintained, clean, full sized mirror. So overall, for a overnight or a couple of days traveler, this hotel seems to be a good option, a good budget hotel, and I think we should stay here one.